Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving into a highly structured, honestly incredibly powerful source text that's designed to completely reset your morning and your entire mindset. This isn't just about, feeling good for 5 minutes. It's a comprehensive framework for a daily gratitude and success meditation. So let's jump right in and see how this text programs the mind for achievement, peace, and abundance. The text starts off with a really beautiful invitation. Welcome to your daily gratitude and success meditation. Today is a new beginning. I want to pull you directly out of whatever busy or stressful day you might be having right now and ask you to just focus entirely on this exact moment. You'll notice the source material doesn't start with complex theories. It starts by immediately grounding us right here, right now, in the present.
So that brings us to part 1, the breath of new beginnings.
Notice how incredibly direct and physical this process is. Actually, let's do this together right now. First, find a comfortable position. Second, close your eyes if you can. And third, take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. The text guides us to do this again. Breathe in confidence and breathe out every worry. Let's take one more deep breath. By doing this, we're literally hitting the reset button. We're physically creating that blank slate, that new beginning we just talked about. From that place of calm, the text prompts us to make 3 fundamental choices: gratitude, growth, success. I love that it explicitly frames these as choices. You aren't just sitting around waiting for good things to happen to you, you're actively deciding to embody them. From this very moment, the source says we allow positive energy to flow through every part of our body and mind. We're actively deciding to be grateful for this beautiful life and for another opportunity to learn, grow, and become a better version of ourselves.
Moving right along to part 2, cultivating mindset and growth.
This source material places a massive emphasis on continuous learning. It tells us to view every new day as a literal gift that must be used wisely. The real takeaway here is how we frame our own intelligence. The text has us affirm that we're becoming smarter every single day. We tell ourselves that we learn quickly, we remember what we study, and that knowledge comes to us naturally. By repeating these concepts daily, we remove all that friction and self-doubt. Learning isn't a chore anymore, it becomes our natural state of being.
To build that intellect, the text lays out a super logical 3-step formula. Number 1, every book I read. Number 2, every experience I have. And number 3, every challenge I face. Notice that last one. Challenges aren't seen as setbacks here, they are literally the fuel that makes us wiser and stronger. The whole idea is that absolutely everything is working together to build you up.
But growth isn't just an internal thing, right? It's about how we connect with the rest of the world. The source points out the absolute necessity of improving our communication skills every single day. It asks us to affirm that we speak with confidence and clarity, and that our words create trust. Think about it. When you express your thoughts calmly and powerfully, people actually enjoy listening to you. Just like the text says, every single conversation becomes a tool that helps you grow.
Next up, we have part 3, fostering health and energy. You'll notice the source places a huge focus on vital energy here. It asks us to be deeply grateful for a healthy body. We acknowledge that every workout makes us stronger, every healthy meal gives us energy, and every single good habit improves our life. The goal stated in the text is incredibly clear. It's to have a fit body, a sharp mind, and limitless energy. That way, we wake up every morning feeling fresh, motivated, and genuinely excited for the day ahead. Now, to maintain that limitless energy, you've got to dump the dead weight. This is vital. The text guides us to actively release negativity. Listen to this sequence. I release fear, I release anger, I release stress, I release all negative thoughts. When you let all of those burdens go, your mind stays peaceful, you become mentally strong, you stay calm under pressure, and suddenly, those annoying problems, they become opportunities. The text reinforces that you never give up and you always move forward.
I really want to pause on this exact quote from the text. Happiness is my natural state. What a powerful anchor statement. By declaring that peace lives within you and happiness is your absolute baseline, you're constantly reminding yourself to actively choose positive thinking. And the source makes a great point. When you choose positive thinking, you attract positive people and you end up creating positive results.
So how do we actually maintain all of this? The text introduces the rule of 1%. Every day I become 1% better. I love this because it reminds us that consistency is an absolute superpower. You really don't need to change your entire life in 24 hours. Small improvements ultimately create extraordinary success. It's all about telling yourself that you finish what you start and you stay focused on your goals. just one tiny percentage point at a time.
That flows perfectly into part 4, building career and abundance.
The text argues that when you're internally aligned, career growth naturally follows. It teaches us to be grateful for a successful career right now. It states that new opportunities come to us at the perfect time, that we receive recognition for our hard work, and that we're growing into respected leaders. It's entirely about a mindset of readiness. The idea is, if a better job or a big promotion is meant for you, it arrives at the exact perfect moment. You are ready for it, you deserve it, and you receive it with complete gratitude. Let's break down the actual mechanics of wealth creation as outlined in the explainer's source text. It's a very clear 3-part flow. Money comes through 1. Honest work, 2. Smart decisions, and 3. Valuable service. By ensuring every customer is happy and every product creates value, your business grows. Success follows your consistent effort. The text highlights how abundance flows into your life from many different directions to support not just you, but your family and future generations too.
Let's just give this statement the visual breathing room it truly deserves. I am financially free. The source material wants this concept deeply, deeply embedded in your psyche. By managing finances wisely and making decisions that consistently bring progress, you're building a reality where this statement isn't just a wish, it's your absolute truth.
Which brings us to part 5, nurturing connection and impact. Because let's be honest, success means absolutely nothing without the people we share it with. In this section, we affirm our gratitude for a loving family. We declare that they are healthy, they are happy, and they are safe. We make a firm commitment to support them with love, respect, and kindness. And the text notes this extends to our true friends too, the idea being that together we grow, and together we get to celebrate our mutual success.
And that circle of impact just keeps growing. The text paints this incredibly vivid picture of becoming an inspiration to others. It says your actions motivate people, and your journey creates hope. It even asks you to envision confidently standing on big stages, speaking with courage and wisdom. Your voice reaches thousands, then millions. You inspire people through your knowledge, your experience, and your kindness. You trust the process, knowing that the universe is opening new doors for you.
Finally, we arrive at part 6, embracing discipline and action. To build real energy and some firm conviction for the day ahead, the text prompts us to make these definitive, rapid-fire choices. Today, I choose discipline over excuses, action over fear, growth over comfort, gratitude over complaints, hope over doubt, and love over negativity. The source promises that when you make these specific choices, this day becomes full of possibilities, this week becomes full of achievements, and this year becomes full of actual breakthroughs. Here, we're visually locking in these identities of pure abundance. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am confident, I am peaceful, I am disciplined, I am courageous, I am grateful. It's all about trusting the process, saying a huge thank you for everything we already have right now, and saying thank you for everything that is coming our way.
The source text ends by assuring us that today will be amazing. You are ready, you are grateful, you are successful, and so it is. But as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a provocative question to take all this powerful energy and turn it into real momentum. You are ready, but what will you achieve today? Take this mindset, step out into the world, and make it happen. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.